Kids, don't let anybody tell you what to do, except me. Wait, don't listen to me. Hey, put your hands in your gloves, your feet in your socks, your legs in your pants. Pull them up and dance, put your hands in the air, growl like a bear. Once in a while you might have to comb your hair. Put your hands in your pockets, eyes in their sockets, tongue in your mouth. Get out of the house, put your foot on the ground, spin yourself around. Gonna have a lot of fun, but don't look into the sun. Don't do it, I'm serious. Mess up your eyes. Alright, here's what I know. Flowers got petals, bees got wings. Every bird can fly, and some of them can sing. Rocks are very hard, grass is kinda soft. Either way you look at it, it's better with your socks off. Yeah! Take your hands out of your gloves, your feet out of your socks. Don't worry about your pants, unless they're full of ants. Take off your wig, chew on a twig. Make sure no one's looking in, oink like a pig. Petals, planes got wings. Some fish can fly, but I don't think they can sing. People got troubles, people have fun. If you dropped your ice cream, you're not the only one. Oh no, you know that bears growl. You know birds sing. Well, open up your ears, 'cause I'll tell you one more thing. You take the worries right out of your head. Dream whatever you dream. Yeah, dream whatever you dream. Oh yeah, dream whatever you dream. Yeah, dream whatever you dream. Dream whatever you dream.